In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove Yahoo from Google Chrome. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there's a few different ways how we can do this. So I'm going to run through the first way, and that is to remove Yahoo as the default search engine. So to do this, open up Google Chrome and you're probably going to be taken to Yahoo, but we don't want that. So click on the three dots, click into settings. On the left hand side, we need to find search engine, and then under search engine you're probably going to see Yahoo there. So what we can do is go ahead and change that. So we can go ahead and change it to Yahoo, Bing, DuckDuckGo, or Yandex. So I'm just going to do Google, set as default. Also, while we're inside of our settings here, on the left hand side, look for on startup. So if you got on startup selected on a specific page or set of pages and Yahoo is here selected, what we can do is just go ahead and remove it. And then from here on startup, we can open the new tab page, continue where you left off, or open a specific page or set of pages. So we can go ahead and use current pages, add a new page if you want. But what I'm going to do, because I like things to be nice and quick, streamlined, I like continuing where I left off.